Hi guys, today we discuss the 6 ways to make money online as a creative. Before we start, like and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Number 1. Sell your work on Etsy. Etsy is an e-commerce platform specializing in creative items. With everything from vintage board games to handmade home decor, the website is an art collector's dream. If you're someone who makes handmade products, Etsy can help you earn a sizable income. Etsy acts as an intermediary between buyers and sellers. Much like eBay, it doesn't manufacture the products it sells. But like any intermediary, it charges a fee for listing your products. The cost of one listing is $0.20 per every 4 months. There's also a 6.5% fee applicable per transaction. Setting up your store on Etsy is very easy. Just head over to the website and sign up for a new account. Once done, set up a storefront by choosing a name for your shop and adding a few listings. Whenever someone makes a purchase for one of your listings, you will be notified to begin the shipping process. Number 2. Teach courses on Udemy. Sites like Udemy and Coursera allow creative professionals to offer courses and expert lessons to students of all skill levels for a small fee. You can teach anything from web design to languages. Courses are offered over audio and video. And the best part? They don't even have to be live courses. You can create a professionally designed series of lessons for your students to watch whenever they see fit, after they have paid for the course. Courses sell for anywhere between $9.99 to $199.99, with thousands of potential students per course. Each course needs to be at least 30 minutes long and consist of 5 separate modules. Number 3. Stream games on Twitch. Are you good at playing video games? That's right, it's playing, not making. If you like video games and are good with an audience, you may consider opening up your very own streaming channel on Twitch. Twitch streamers can earn money in a variety of ways. The first, and most common, is through displaying advertisements under your videos. Another way to earn money is through sponsored brand placements within the videos themselves. Donations and subscriptions are other ways of making money with Twitch. Twitch streamers, unlike YouTubers, are required to host regular live streams and chat with their viewers. It's more spontaneous when compared to other streaming platforms and therefore requires less finesse. Number 4. Freelance with Upwork. If you are a writer, graphic designer, or developer, consider offering up your skills in a freelance capacity. There are plenty of companies that outsource work to talented individuals these days instead of handling them in-house or paying an agency to do it for them. There are plenty of websites where you can freelance. They are mostly marketplaces that connect freelancers with those who need their services. While a lot of these marketplaces are known for attracting dishonest buyers or offering cheap rates, Upwork has a strong anti-fraud policy for buyers and sellers alike, making it one of the better offerings. The rates are reasonably good too. To get started, just sign up for a new account and create your freelancer profile on Upwork. Number 5. Design assets for Envato. Are you a web developer? Do you design websites? Have you got experience with WordPress? Do you draw or sketch digitally? If you said yes to any of the above, you can list your work for sale on Envato. Envato is an online marketplace for digital assets. From themes and plugins to stock videography, there is nothing that you can't find on the site. The idea is simple. You upload your work and allow people to purchase user licenses to your assets. With these licenses, they can use your work for their own online projects, both personal and commercial. Envato also allows you to sell creative services for a fee by offering a fixed rate on things like designing a logo or creating a website. You can attract buyers who are in need of a more personalized offering. Number 6. Sell printable on Redbubble. Redbubble is a marketplace where you can buy custom printed artwork. From designer t-shirts to printed phone cases, you can find anything there. All of the artwork is created by independent artists, which opens up a lot of avenues for creative professionals. Since the website is print on demand, Redbubble doesn't require a huge initial investment. You upload your designs to the site and wait for someone to place an order. Once an order has been placed, you get an email on the amount sold and the royalty made. That's right, Redbubble doesn't require you to print or ship your own products. You need only upload the design, and they will do everything else. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. In the end, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss any more videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon.